Hi everyone, my name is Natalia and I'm with the National Software School Data Analytics Program Cohort 3. I'd like to introduce my capstone project to you. It is titled Securities and Exchange Commission EDGAR Stock Market 2020 Analysis. I chose this topic because I have always been interested in the stock market. However, I never could find the time to explore it. Thanks to NSS, I was able to learn so much about the stock market investing. I'm hoping that answering the data questions will enable me to use the findings to make good investment choices. For every calendar quarter in a data set, there are 8 tables to review. All of them carry a certain value. However, I have focused specifically on the dataset submission and number. The idea of investing and making a profit is very enticing. However, before working on the project, I knew very little about the stock market, and I had to start from the very beginning. So I decided to start exploring it with the following data questions that you can see on the following slide. Let's dive in. After having read up on the stock market, I chose to pay special attention to one of the most common forms, 10K. It is also known as an annual report for my analysis. I started with the exploration of 10Ks. Their number in each quarter, what fiscal years and the dates are presented in the data sets, whether or not each company submits only one annual report or more, the dates and the numbers of reports presented in fiscal year 2020 filings. Here you can see a snapshot of a 10K. Can you imagine that it is 90 pages long? Neither could I. Through a comparative analysis, I selected Microsoft, Nike, and KLA as the top 3 strong stocks being undervalued by the market, based on the specific performance indicators. Had I invested in these 3 companies after the 30th of June 2020 10K release, I would have made a profit of 10, 32, and 26% respectively. Now, look at the working capital amounts these companies have. Billions of dollars. There are a lot of formulas of measuring the profitability of a company. However, I chose these few. I also conducted a 5-year stock price analysis of the top 3 performers and created average price share with forecasting charts for them. If you look at them, you can see that there is quite a steady price growth there. In conclusion, I will say that it's been a wild ride and there is a lot more to learn and more data questions to answer. I have learned the financial reports are open to interpretation, and as a result, investors often draw vastly different conclusions about a company's financial performance. Please, never blindly accept what stock analysts have to say, and always do your own research. Thank you for listening, and let's go make some money.